Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here, back again with another video. Now this one is extremely special, very rare car. We have a Mitsubishi Evo 6 Tommi Makinen Edition. Like I say, extremely rare, and I can't wait to show you guys what we've done to this one. Now the car rolled into us from the customer just in the shell. All the inside have been done, so we didn't have to do any of that. We simply had to just knock the car down. Very small little dents around the car. No corrosion. Really good condition, to be fair. Sort out them little issues. Re-prime the whole car. And then repaint the complete car. Now, unfortunately, I haven't got a load of footage from the actual paint coming out of the gun, because I wasn't on site when the guys done it. But I've got the primer, I've got the knocking down, and then I got some awesome shots at the end. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep watching. So what do you think of that? Now that is one immaculate Tommi Makinen Edition Evo. Like I say, the car rolled into us as a shell. We done the minor dents, applied all the primer, applied all the actual colour to the car, made it look absolutely awesome. But I would like to give a shout out to our customer. He has done an absolutely unbelievable job. The prep work before it actually came to us to be done properly was amazing. Obviously, once we've applied all the colour and gone back to the customer, he then built the whole car up, and he's done absolutely unbelievable. It is immaculate. Alignment, perfect. Even gone down to the deck house under the bonnet, the chassis plates that can't be made or bought anymore. He's had them custom made. The detail that's gone into this is absolutely unbelievable, and I'm sure you guys agree with me from the pictures that I've got at the end. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe on all our social media pages. We will see you next time.